3 years ago, a man hit me while he was driving 109 miles per hour on a 4-lane one-way. He was drag racing. Fun fact, you can travel the length of an entire football field in the time that it takes to check if it's clear. When you're driving that fast, I checked if it was clear, and it was. The day before the sentencing, I was able to give my victim statement. I watched the footage of the car crash. I watched not just one, but 2 cars pass by while I waited. At the last 0.5 seconds, the detective on the case said that my car chip gave back a reading that I was 100% on the gas pedal at the moment of collision, meaning that I must have seen him not even last second, last 0.5 seconds, or even shorter. He was going to hit me in my driver's side door. Instead, he hit me in the middle beam, which is the strongest part of a car. The difference between me dead versus where I'm at today, with being alive and smiling. The impact did not break any glass, nor force my head to hit anything. The impact was so severe that my brain shook so violently in my head. I had one of the worst types of brain injuries, a severe brain injury known as a diffuse axonal injury. The day of the sentencing trial, I could have been sad at the life I'd lost that I would have spent teaching and coaching. I could have been mad at God for putting me through this crash and recovery. Heck, I could even be outright filled with rage at the person who hit me and caused all this to happen. But I am not. God didn't allow this to happen for no reason. Because God didn't cause this. Just because He knew I would go through this doesn't make it His fault. It's my own free will to choose what to do. The theme of this week, to forgive. The theme of this week, forgiveness. I could sit here and blame God, but why? All because He knew that it was going to happen? Does that make it His fault just because He knew? Did I get angry? Yes, but I'm not anymore. I get mad. I did get mad, but not anymore. I did want an apology. In that court sentencing, I did receive that. He was sorry. Receiving an apology after my victim statement was needed and was very unexpected. Apologies are everything. If you'd like more details, please continue to watch my videos and get my book Impact when it gets released.